Hi, I'm Renee Ford, Bright Lights Executive Director. If you haven't used our camp chart before, I'm going to show you how you can use it to plan summer fun for your student in grades K through 8. To find the chart, visit our website, brightlights.org, where you can view the schedule. You can also download and print a copy, and in addition, we will put a note in the description with this video of where you can also find it to download it. We have just over 90 camps this summer, and they're divided by weeks. You'll see the dates at the top of each week. They're then divided by full-day camps and then half-day camps. So our half-day camps are morning and afternoon, and then they're further divided by grades. This organization makes it easy to pair our schedule with your schedule. You can choose a camp based on the grade, and you should choose the grade that your student is currently in. Or another way that you could think about that is choosing the grade that your student will have completed before he or she starts their camp. From there, you can see all the different camp topics that we have available this summer. Now, some parents choose camps that are brand new topics for their student that they're interested in. Sometimes they choose topics that their student is very interested in and wants to pursue. We have all kinds of options for students. Either way, with so many topics to choose from, we're sure there's interest, something of interest for everybody.